So what can you say about the Philippine football team?
Okay, actually I don't know exactly about the football, but I think that every woman in Indonesia tell that the player football from Philippines is so handsome, especially the coach. And so do I, and I'm really proud that my office asking me to interview them because I'm gonna meet with a handsome boy from Philippines.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
Okay.
Mark,
Okay,
what can you say about the Philippine team?
Philippines. I think I like the Philippines more a good team. A good team. I like the player.
Who will win tomorrow, Indonesia or the Philippines?
Okay. I think tomorrow 0-0.
All right.
Oh.
Penalties?
0-0.
Oh, no penalties. Indonesia will win if it's 0-0.
Yeah, 0-0.
Okay.
Depends.
All right.
Depends. Okay.
But we have good game tomorrow. Very fun.
Right. Thank you.
Yes.
Good luck. Good luck
Yes.
tomorrow. Good luck.
Is your official or
Official.
Official.
Yes.
What do you think of the Philippine team?
Why?
Are you gonna watch tomorrow?
Why stadium? Not have stadium in Philippines? Why?
We have stadium, but small.
Yeah.
Not like Bung Karno. Bung Karno big,
Yes.
nice.
It's very everything. Naturalization is more, but the stadium is not have. Why?
Right. That's right. That's right. You dropped that one. All right.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Good luck. Good luck.
Philippines is good.
Good luck
Indonesia,
tomorrow.
Very good.
Good luck to Indonesia tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh, good.
What, sir? What can you say about the Philippine team?
Philippines good. Good. Indonesia very good.
It's gonna be a good game. What do you think the score?
0-0.
0-0.
Who do you think's the best player over there?
45.
Okay.
No, 9.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Bye. I want to bet your husband is real. Played Chelsea.
You played for Chelsea for
Reserve or
6 reserve, but you also played with their A team, not in the Premier League, but in another tournament.
tournament.
Yes.
So it's reserve.
Mostly reserve. I think 2 times he played with Lampard and Drogba.
Training with
No,
Lampard and Drogba.
not just training, playing a game.
Training game with Lampard and Drogba.
Yeah.
And
Etheridge,
the goalkeeper.
back up for Fulham.
And he's training with Swalter and
Yes. Yes. All right. Thank you, man.
so if IFF is final, they are to England again.
All right. Philippine team. What do you think?
Good.
Good.
Yeah. Did you watch the game? Last game?
Yeah.
What do you think? Who's your favorite player in Philippines?
Two brothers Johnson John husband
Young
James,
husband.
James and Phil, young husband.
Yeah. Why?
Why?
Secure child.
Tomorrow, what do you think? What's the score?
2-0.
2-0 for Indonesia.
Yeah.
All right. Good luck to us. It's going to be a big game. Good luck to Indonesia.
Okay, thank you.
Indonesia, Irfan. I'm a big Irfan fan. Irfan #1, man. Very good player. Very good player. All right. Good luck to us tomorrow. Good luck. All right. I'll speak English, sir. What do you think of the Philippine team?
I think it's good team, but maybe it's same play with Indonesia.
Who do you like in the Philippines?
Good.
Favorite player? Who's a good player?
It's two brothers. Yeah.
The 2 brothers, Phil and James, young husband. All right. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Good luck. What do you think of Philippine team? What do you think?
I don't know. I think Philippines is a handsome player.
Okay.
Yes, handsome player, and I think I like Simon.
Simon.
Yeah, but I'm like Bambang Pamungkas. Very better for me.
Bambang's very good player.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very good player.
Hey.
Before, when they beat the Philippines 13-1, Bambang scored 5 goals. Very good player.
Very good. And Once again, Ivan Bahim. Gonzalez.
Alright.
Best player for Indonesia. But Philippine, my favorite player is Johan brother.
20.
Alright.
He's very, very handsome people.
Take a video of the people, man.
Never
Unbelievable, look at that.
Not even Smart Gilas got this.
Oh yeah. And this is only practice, buddy.
No,
That's-
Smart Gilas had a lot of fans also. Grabe. Pero not like this. Nothing like
Oh,
this.
boy. And wave. Make him wave at the camera, man. Come on.
Come on.
Cheap thrills, buddy. Cheap thrills. Let them do it. Oh boy, okay.
Out of the way.
Someone just died. Someone just died.
Get your leg out of the way, son.
Really had been a security man.
Get Joe. What was your price?
Escort.
Andito.
Right, Shell.
Sige lang, sige lang. Have you booked it yet? Oh,
Zero. 2-0.
Akala ko PC.
2-0.
Gonzales! Gonzales! Wally, who made that one up? Is that you?
No. In the hotel. Gonzales, Paraguay yung face is Gonzales. Naturalize na
Gonzales! Wow! El Toro! El Toro! Konyo! Who's taking a Jay-Z? Akala ko buwan yung pagkagabitin.
Depending at the last moment if it rains.
Okay.
Rick,
Yo,
I have an idea.
what?
2-0.
What's that? Later. We get down.
Actually, what can I Paano yung first time? Lakad na lang. Try pa. Now, may Jojo yung camera. Baka mamaya hindi makita. Footage. Good enough for a lifetime. Baka yan
Ako din, di ba? Having covered Gilas fan, home in abroad. Grabe rin yung reception. Pero parang iba to eh. Iba eh. There's something about it.